Yung mga gagmay na bata is madlok pa sila musulod sa balay, and especially in these enclosed areas kana makita nila nga daghan pa ang mga guba and also experiencing the aftershocks. Murag lisod gyud kayo sir, hadlok pa gyud kayo siya. Secretary sa Angara and to our President, thank you so much for giving us your attention and assurance for the help also coming to us. Sir, we really appreciate your help po. Malaking tulong po ang yung among ma-feel, the way that we feel that we are not forsaken during difficulties, sir. We truly valued and appreciated it so much.